To demonstrate how this machine learning in a box could be easily used to predict who would likely be your targeted customers, we are using this sample database of blood donation campaign as a typical example. To start using machine learning in a box, you could easily access or transfer files or data directly from a Windows desktop. Just type the given IP address. You could see the working share folders. Click on the share folder with the name ML box. You will see another two share folders. One is production, another one is training folder. And we will show you how we could use training folder to experiment with machine learning in a box easily. Now, you will see three Excel files: learning history Excel file, input Excel file, and output Excel file. Firstly, let's just click on learning history Excel file. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find 748 historical customer records in this file. In this simple example, like any marketing campaign or promotion profile, we have parameters or variables that will affect your marketing success. In this simple file, the first parameter here is show when it was the last time your customer had transacted with your organization before. In this case, it means when was the last time that person had donated blood before. Second parameter is show how frequently your customer had purchased something from a company. And the third parameter, it shows how much that customer had purchased something from a company. And the fourth parameter is show when was the first time your customer had purchased something from you before, or in this case, when the first time that person had donated blood before. Of course, these four parameters are very oversimplified. In real-time situation, you can have more than four parameters that will determine a person whether will become a real customer or not. Now, let's click open the input Excel file. In this example, it contains 300 new customer records. And we want machine learning in a box to predict for us, based on these four parameters, who will become our priority customer, or our priority prospect, who will likely be converted into a real customer. And finally, after closing this file, let's open up the output Excel file. In output Excel file is currently empty, and we want machine learning in a box to automatically predict for us and fill out the output in the output Excel file. To start running machine learning in a box, you may simply use VNC to access the system. Just type in the given username and password. You will see a simple operating interface coming up on your Windows desktop. Let's just go on the training folder, click on marketing.mb. Now, the machine learning algorithm is now coming up. You will see all the given source code are available in the system, and you may modify it if you are familiar with the coding. However, because this system is designed for small and medium industry, we don't have to worry anything about source code here. What you have to do is to simply work with the four given buttons on the top. Now, let's just click on the training button. Select the learning history Excel file. The system will start importing and learning from the historical data and automatically select the best machine learning algorithm. The whole process almost like plug and play. It's just that simple. And after a few seconds, it will show us the accuracy report. For example, it will show us the file name it has imported and the total historical record it has processed. And it will show many statistics which are important to data scientists, such as correlation, confusion metrics, so on and so forth. But for most of us, you only need to know how much accuracy is in this prediction. In this blood donation campaign, after learning 80% from the imported 748 historical records, the system has an accuracy of 76.5%. Of course, the more historical data with good quality you have in your system, the better the accuracy is. Now, we start importing our input file. which has 300 records of new prospect, and we want the system to apply the previous machine learning algorithm and to predict for us automatically. Lastly, we just select the blend output file, and all the output will be exported to this file automatically. When it has imported successfully, what you have to do is click on the output Excel file. When you look at output Excel file, it's very easy to understand now. If you just click on the data filter to display all the records with the output predicted to be 1, means that likely to be your customer, it will show now all the prospect among the 300 records you have imported, who will be your likely customer for our next marketing campaign or promotion. Well, if you prepare your data sheet properly, not just 300 records, it could be 3,000 records. The whole process would just take less than a few minutes. And believe it or not, machine learning could be made that simple and easy and affordable for you. Well, you have to try it out yourself in order to believe it. The opportunities and demands for machine learning are tremendous. A report shows that 4 to 5 years from now, there could be 6.4 billion worth of artificial intelligence market in Asia Pacific per se, and machine learning technology plays a very important part in that market. And machine learning does not have to be expensive or difficult. Using machine learning in a box or SMI, we have made it practical and simple and affordable for small and medium industry users like you and I. If you have a good set of data on hand, either in a format Excel spreadsheet, text file, or CSV file, or database, we can teach you through a workshop to achieve results between days. And this entire solution could be yours with just 3,000 ringgit now. And the good news is, until 30th October this year, we are running a promotion. With only 1,900 ringgit, this entire deployment of machine learning technology could be yours. And it is 50 to 100% funded by HRDF. Unbelievable? Yes, we are even giving away 1 unit of machine learning in a box worth 1,000 ringgit to every participant who sign up this HRDF trainable class. Why we are doing that? Because we believe that the SMI and SME in Malaysia are worthy to be more competitive during this Industrial 4.0 using machine learning in a box. Call us today and find out more.